Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 140. If we start with this box, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here. So 4, 3. For this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 covering these two boxes, so our 8 must be here. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got a 2 covering both of these boxes, so our 2 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this top row, we're missing an 8. If we look at this column now, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 7. 7 here, so 1, 5. 1 here, so 5, 7. And for this row, we're missing 1 and 5. I don't see any help, so 1, 5. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. We've got 7 here, so 1, 4, 4, and 7 here. Means this is our 1, 4, 7. That 1 makes this our 5, 1, and that 7 makes this our 5. For this box now, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. And for this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this row now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 9, 6. For this row, we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 5. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 3. Don't see any other help, so 1, 4, 1, 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 6. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 1, 3. That 1 makes this our 4, 1. And to finish off this box, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.